News coming in indicates that the self-styled and embattled Chude has written a petition to the police, the Ghana Police Homicide Unit, requesting that the police should come in immediately to restore calm over the current tension mounting or brewing over his deportation back to Nigeria.
Finally, fake Igbo king accepted defeat, guys. Pikin wey talk say im mama no go sleep, him too no go sleep. I wan hear una talk that thing. I know say I no dey see una, but make I repeat am again. Pikin wey talk say im mama no go sleep, him too no go. Oh, this news is the most sweetest ever. Like, it's been a while I heard exciting news like this, guys. This is just like Nigerian movie to me. Well then, guys, I have a lot of videos here I want us to check out. Okay, hey, this serves him right. You know why I'm saying that? I wonder why this man delayed everything. Like, he was being stubborn, as if he doesn't know who Ghanaians are. They never give up, especially when they know they are on the right track. You said you've been in Ghana for more than 28 years and you are so dumb not to understand the people around you. Well then, this is an advice to people who are in Ghana and don't want to observe and see who they are, associating themselves with. I mean, Ghanaians are good people. I don't mean they are bad people, but when you are in a country, try and, mingle, study, and know the people you are mingling or you are with. You understand? Because this fake Igbo king, obviously, he was thinking he is still in Nigeria. He doesn't know that Nigeria and Ghana, it be like say they be brothers as una they call them, but Nigeria they go left, Ghana they go right. Now waiting I see be that. Well then, guys, enough of the talk. Let's get right into the video in order for us to have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Because of course, right now Ghanaian youths are all over happy and they've brought down Goliath. He thinks he is Goliath, right? The small person where they see say he's small, he don't bring you down. Guys, let's get right into the video. And at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's watch.
In this breaking news, we are also picking reports suggesting that petition, he's calling on the police also to, as it were, call on Dr. Alhaji Hassan Ayariga or any form of meeting there, as both can sit down and then they can iron the differences.
The Igbo Salome leader, ladies and gentlemen, has he run to courts thinking he has already won. Ladies and gentlemen, Hassan Dr. Ayariga with his team were organizing to meet him in the courts. Ladies and gentlemen, he is preparing his document seriously. Ladies and gentlemen, and don't forget, on the 17th, as we are deporting this Igbo Salome leader to his country. Ladies and gentlemen, now, according to Kwaku Annan, he said the Igbo leader begin the shake like a stubborn fox. Ladies and gentlemen, now he has wrote petition to the Ghana police said they should step in for his deportation on 17th and 18th. Ladies and gentlemen, he again said he wants Dr. Emeritus Hassan Ayariga to sit down with him so that they can iron things out. Now drink water first. Mr. Eze, you know, say you go iron things out. Why you first run go courts?
I go 1,000 for this matter.
Why you first run, go court. Now when you dey shake, you dey shake now. We dey come court o, and we dey come deport you. No, that one down first. Now you want iron out. We dey tell you, Eze, calm down with this your pomposity. You dey do pompous too much. You run go court, make your Igbo people feel like you dey work. Now he don't hang you finish. What you mean now? Now they don't give you boxing gloves. Now you call the match. You must appear in the arena because that match will happen. Yes, and we as Ayariga supporters, we are on his back. Everywhere we there his back, and in this match he's not alone. He is not alone. Igbo man, it is against you and against the whole Ghana. As the next president, I am still with very much Hassan Ayariga. Yes. Power to the next.
I wonder how those people where they talk too much on top internet, I wonder how they are, I wonder what they are doing right now, because of course they have no choice and to join their fake Igbo king and accept the defeat. And say this fake Igbo king no get mind like that though. Now I understand that now the wife they push him. Now the wife they push him. She they push him, not knowing that as she they push him, she they disgrace her husband. Well, guys, Nigerians will not stop, surprising us. I have another video I want us to check out. There you will know the reason why Ghanaians no even want to hear anything wey concern Nigerians in their country, especially those ones committing crimes. See, gone are days that they are accommodating, you Nigerians. Yeah, as you come into their country, they show them say you sabi pass them. It be like say they forget say this country no be your own. We go to remind you that Ghana is for Ghanaians. Your own country, Nigeria, now your own country. A Ghanaian no go come your country. They do wetin they do for Ghana. Guys, let's take a look at this video.
What is the name of what it is?
It's loud follows.
Loud and follows. How long have you been selling this in the former community?
About 6 months.
You be which rad? Equal people that hear them. Equal again, very beautiful girl. Now colors are allowed in the same for former. I say you be student, yeah? Yes. Not be your career in what that means. So I will
my people. He don't finally castle. Oh, Nigeria.
What you mean now?
Nigerians. I'm on it. Again, they say wonders shall never end. How? So this fine Nigerian ballabed now, whom community and the church in their vicinity look am say, Imama poor. They contributed money, carry the girl, enter school, say make you not come do olosho and spoil her life. Ladies and gentlemen, na Kwere she from where she from. Ladies and gentlemen, as they carry her enter the school, pop.
Hey! Do you need a new tablet? Join Temu and get your new tablet for 9,999 naira.
A new tablet? Where? How? The school, pop. Now in the girl start, they say Igbo, colors.
What was you mean now?
And as for the Igbo, where she they sell, she get a great. She get colors be the one. If you smoke, your eye gonna dey like this. Colors. Uncle, your mind go there Germany, but you there Ghana. And he get loud be the one where normally na prisoners where they smoke that one. That one if they smoke that one, another person go there, another side go there here. He dey give sound. And he say he dey good. The one where rich men they smoke. And also he dey sell red. He dey sell red as young as he is.
Juju be that.
Where community gather money want to bring some good life to your life. Now if you go there, they sell Igbo, they sell colors to the students. Now the community monitor say, here for this time, we don't touch her.
I will pass me the
So if Nigerian woman, if she not go do Orosho, he must do anything bad just to make bad Nigerians, wetin dey happen? Wetin una mama eat take born you people for that country? Una dey spoil the image of Africa. Una dey spoil the image of Nigeria. Make una stop that nonsense. Nigeria authority, pick that lady now. Pick up now. Yes.
What was it now?
To the nurse. My people, I beg you, let's watch this video, and after we will ask some questions. Let's watch.
There was this issue of how can you go and crown somebody in diaspora? But because of what we have started doing in Ghana, for instance, this Igbo speaking school, other countries of the world are now trying to learn from what we've done in Ghana. The Igbo speaking school is bringing a lot of unity to all the whole Igbos in Ghana, and it's making most of us to know each other. There are people who you can live here in Ghana for maybe 10-20 years, you don't know that they are your brothers, but because of this eldership, we are beginning to interact, we are beginning to know each other. So I want to say this to other people all over the world, that once the Igbos start coming together as one formidable family, I think whatever we are looking for, even back home, we'll get it in Jesus' name.
My full name is Chief Samuel Ekezie from Imo State, Nigeria. The Igbo speaking school in Ghana has come to stay, and it came through the Igbo, the Igbo king in Ghana, as the Dr. Ambassador Chude too. The only recognized Igbo king in Ghana. We have been going the Igbo school since I think January or February this year, and the school has brought a lot of changes in our homes in terms of our children that are born in Ghana, and even our wives, those of us who married either Ghanaian wives or Liberian wives or other
so now a man came from his country, established school, not for his country, but just for a tribe. Are you thinking what I am thinking? He now crowned himself as a king. And established school for his tribe, only his tribe, and not Nigerians. The school has been operating, according to him. These are his words. The school has been operating till now. The question is, what is he teaching his tribe in the Igbo language? Who supervise? Are you getting there now? Who supervise what they are teaching those kids in that school? I hope you are getting there now. Now, if he is teaching them bad thing, then we have problem as a country. But if he is teaching them good thing, now the country is safe. Number 2, who are Igbos? Are Igbos good people? Yes. If we are good, then we are safe. If they are bad, then we have problem as a country.
What was it
Now, under which permit that school was established? Under which permit that school was established in this country? Who signed? Who gave that permit? Who supervised? Until now, where are those children?
What was it
How old are they now? Are they okay? Are they good people in the society? Are they criminals? Those questions we need to ask as Ghanaian. Anyway, today is not comedy, but sit down, think about this after watching this video. If Ghana is safe, yes, still power to the ringers.
Now the room is open for you to let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Do you want to like, subscribe to the channel, share the video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye bye.